Hi, in this video we will show you the must visit places in Gangtok and Darjeeling which you can't miss to cover during your trip. So let's have a look. First is Tashi Viewpoint, which is famous for the stunning Himalayan views. Ganesh Tok. Tok means temple, and this Lord Ganesh temple is very close to Tashi Viewpoint. Ganesh Tok have view lounge and a circular balcony to witness the beautiful view of the Gangtok and the surrounded areas. Hanuman Tok. More than a Hanuman Mandir, this is famous for its spectacular views of Kanchenjunga Himalayan range. Bhaktang Waterfall. In this beautiful roadside waterfall, you can click pictures and enjoy rope sliding activities. Inche Monastery. Near to the Gangtok TV tower, we will visit this 200-year-old beautiful and colorful monastery. Flower Exhibition Center, which showcases flowers from the different parts of Sikkim together under a single roof. Handicraft Center, where we can see the handicrafts of Sikkim. Chowarten Stupa, Institute of Tibetology, Gangtok Ropeway. Experience this 1 kilometer long cable car ride and witness the beautiful views of Himalaya and Gangtok town. Now let's have a look in the Darjeeling sightseeing points. First, we will go to witness the stunning sunrise from Tiger Hill, and for that we will have to start early in the morning at around 4 am. You can have the lifetime experience to see the sunrise just behind the Kanchenjunga Himalayan range. After Tiger Hill, we will cover Ghum Monastery, which is one of the oldest Tibetan Buddhist monasteries in Darjeeling, which was built in 1850. Batasia Loop. From here you can have the 360-degree view of Darjeeling and the Himalayan mountain ranges. Japanese Temple and Peace Pagoda, which showcases 4 avatars of Lord Buddha. You can also get the panoramic views of Darjeeling and Kanchenjunga range from here. Eva Art Gallery. Darjeeling Zoo. This is where you can actually see some of the high altitude amazing Himalayan animals, and some of them are rarely seen anywhere else in the world. Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. Darjeeling Ropeway. This cable car is one of the best ways to experience the panoramic views that Darjeeling is famous for. Tenzing Gompo Rock. A gigantic natural rock in Darjeeling is named after Tenzing Norgay, the man who created the history by climbing the Mount Everest first time along with Edmund Hillary in 1953. Tibetan Refugees Self-Help Center. The place initially provided emergency relief to Tibetan refugees and now became one of the best handicraft centers in this area. That's all in this video, and for travel related informative videos don't forget to subscribe our channel. A big thank you from Team Tripscart Holidays.